Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I am going to teach you very interesting thing, uh, the masking. Mask like nowadays in pandemic condition in corona you are wearing mask means you are hiding something. So let's start. First I select one picture and now we have to add a layer. So you can add the layer with two ways. You can go up, there is the layer option, click layer, new and layer, or you can take layer from down. In the layer section down, if you will say so, add new layer. So you can click on the eye of the background, so it will be removed. Now we will go to the edit, fill, and there are background color and the foreground color. We will choose only, we will work on this. So we choose foreground color. So background color, it will give us the before we were using the color. So foreground, what color you choose in the back, the foreground color on your left hand. So now we have to add the mask. So we can add the mask with two ways. You can add the mask in layer, add mask layer, or down in the layer section, layer mask. You will click on the mask, so you see in the current layer they added the mask. Now you will take the brush and you can choose the size and opacity and everything. Okay, before this I want to tell you the white color or black color. Black color, it shows the last background, and the white color, it shows the current background, the current color. So now I explain you with the picture. We add the mask on the picture. So suppose I took this picture, I will select this face from the kit and I will put on that apple. I will copy Control C and here Control V, Control T. I will transform, I will fix the face on the apple. Now we have two layers, layer 1 and the background. So we will click on the mask in the layer section down. If you will see the second one, you will click on the mask, so there will be the mask. Now what will we do? We will go to the edit and then we will choose the foreground color, so it will be disappear, not delete, only disappear. Now we will come here, as I told you, white color and the black color. We will take the brush, we make the opacity 50%, so it will be less. Now we will drag the brush, so you can see now the face is coming on the apple. So which part of the face you want to take it, you can choose it. Now I choose the text and I write the text. I change the text color, I change the text from this option. I will choose the style of the text. Now like this you can apply the masking in any of the thing, any of the images. So guys, I hope you understand and you like this video. If you have any comments, any inquiry, you can ask me in the comment box. And if you didn't subscribe, so please subscribe my channel so you can get the new notification, new softwares. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.